Okay, sure.
So the name.
Okay, open it.
Okay, I got it.
You got it? Oh,
Oh,
wow.
I got all the instructions.
Yeah, okay.
Come on. Then what?
Mm-hmm. Wow. Oh, that's fun. Oh, why? Oh, wow.
What? I'm going to do it.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, if we do one, oy.
Oh, nabigyan na niya. Oh. Oh. I'll help you here. Come here. Come here.
Get up.
Yeah,
I
here
can
you go.
Here
Here you go. Wow. So we're going to install this. Wow. Here's the instructions. Get AJ.
Yeah, I'll hold it and you're the one moving.
Okay.
Number one.
You can read that one.
Yeah, he will read it for me. Number 1. What should I do? What's that? Yeah.
Number one.
Hmm? Okay, this one first. This one.
Number two is more bigger like this.
Okay.
Even number three got to be like this and number this.
Okay, maybe we'll see them later when we install this. Bye.
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 See you later. Kids, now they're finished.
Okay, it's finished. Now it's time to play.
Play. You're upstairs playing.
Oh, they're upstairs playing too. Can you show me how to play that?
This one means you'll let them go here up.
Okay.
And then if you want to go somewhere, you got to go here or here. But you know why?
Why?
There's something here. Look, I mean.
Which one?
This one moving up.
Oh, okay.
So
That's
it
the
sticks.
secret, huh?
So it stays.
It stays. Oh, that's good.
There's this one, there's a sharp thing, and it'll go in.
Oh, all right. Okay.
And when it goes back.
It goes back. Okay, can you show me? Wow. Okay.
And this one makes up here.
Okay.
Look at that.
Wow.
It's going up, see?
Okay. Going up, going up. Going up. Now, where's the shrine? Oh, okay. That's nice.
This one means if you want to go here on the other side.
Oh,
You can go
okay.
anywhere. I want to go here. And
Okay.
then this one keeps stopping everything.
Okay, can you try?
Just wait for it.
Can you try? Whee! That's nice.
I want to go in.
Okay, okay. Whee! That's very fast. Okay, go, go, up, 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 up. You get stuck?
Somewhere else.
Mm-hmm. Now the train is in the top. Hi. Hi.
Hi. Gonna.
Whee!
Got stuck.
It got stuck. Whee!
Thank you for watching our video, guys. Bye.
Bye. See you again.
Thomas.
See you again.
See you again. Thomas. Bye.